Hey, I'm Coach Lee from Forever Aesthetic, and it is time for smoothie time. So I love to make smoothies as a snack, either if it's pre or post workout or just as a general healthy snack. They could be loaded with nutrients. You can have a lot of fiber as well and protein. So let's see what I whip up. I already put the water in. So we have 300 ml of water. I usually base my smoothies with either water or almond milk, unsweetened, sometimes coconut milk if I like to get fancy. There's the water. I've already weighed out everything. Here I have peaches, frozen peaches, weighed out at ½ cup. And then I have my frozen already cut up kale already. This is a cup. Pulled out the almonds already. I got about a handful of almonds here. And then because it's post-workout, I'm going to as well add the protein in. So right now I'm taking a whey isolate to stay super shreddy for summer, leaner for summer. So right now I'm taking whey isolate limitless, and it is our vanilla flavor, as I find vanilla works best in most smoothies. But you can get creative as well, which I do from time to time. Sometimes I will use the cookies and cream. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more. It's not full serving. There you go. 1 full serving. Good. Now, what I like about this blender, the Ninja, is I have one at home and one here at the gym. So this is our gym. So I have one here too at the gym, which is really fantastic. I just got one at the house as well. I've had this one here at the gym for a little bit. But I love this because what is great about this blender is, 1, it locks in, which is really nice. And 2, once you turn it on and you press the smoothie function, it will blend. It won't over blend, but it will blend just enough to make that smoothie great. Voila! Within just a couple of minutes, you have yourself a nice, nutritious, loaded protein smoothie for post-workout, but also full of fiber with your kale, a little bit as well of fruit as well to add to that fiber, and a little bit of healthy fats as well with the almonds. If you want to give this a try, definitely give it a try. To be honest with you, I would try almond milk, as it'll just be a little bit more thicker, or add some ice in to this to make it a bit thicker, as with water being a base, it could be a little bit liquidy. But I'm gonna drink it just like this because I don't mind it being a little bit liquidy. So I'm gonna give it a test. I always take this out because I've had accidents before. Let's not talk about that. All right, let's see if I have a straw, just because I don't want to get messy here. Oh, I do. I do. Shout out to my client, Anna, for the cup as well, the Calm Club. Very good. I honestly find the vanilla protein, especially this one, with the peaches, just tastes absolutely perfect. And it's not because I made it. I could be a little bit biased. No, it's really good. So give this recipe a try. Again, it only takes about 3 minutes to make, not too many ingredients, and I'm sure that you will love it.